Name's Chuck Wetmore from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I actually started manufacturing in 1978 in Windows. I had moved then to Kensington Windows in 1997. I started with them as a production supervisor. A couple of months later, I became their training coordinator. I wrote a training program for all new hires and existing. After a few months of that, I was made general foreman. Then 3 months after that, I became director of operations. And then probably another 6 or 8 months after that, I became vice president of manufacturing, then vice president of operations. So I've done everything in manufacturing on Windows side, clear from running a punch press the whole way up. I can run every piece of equipment on the floor, and I've got every aspect of it, from scheduling installations, scheduling services, the whole way through purchasing and everything else that's been done. The product we designed that we manufacture for Bill Wilson with the HR40 is actually it's its own glass package by itself. We make this for no one else. It's the only for the HR40. It's been exclusive since we started dealing with Bill, and it will always be exclusive to Bill's product line. One of the concepts of the HR40 product that we've designed is it's so energy efficient that it's not purchasing a product, it's investing in a product. It's going to save you money. It's going to save you money. It's going to save you comfort. Before, if you had an older window that you walked in front of, you could probably feel the heat coming through or the cold coming through. You're not going to have that issue with the HR40. The HR40 greatly reduces any possible condensation, and it also reduces any cold or any heat transfer through by the low U value on the product. Serious Materials, Serious Energy came in, looked at a great opportunity, saw the plant, saw what it could possibly do, had different ideas of different ways they wanted to market, different high performance products, different ways to use heat mirror glass within the product. They actually took that opportunity to take that plant and grow with it from there. In the fall of 2009, we learned of the Empire State Building project working through Johnson Controls, that they were looking to retrofit all of the windows in the Empire State Building. I became involved with it as Senior Director of Operations at that time for the window division. I became the key person for this. I was involved with getting the equipment into the location because we did set up a manufacturing plant on the 5th floor of the Empire State Building. But what ended up happening on this project was all of this had to be done in a matter of months for the equipment to be found, purchased, and brought in and set up so we could start the project in March. We had a short window. We had to be manufacturing and done by late October so they could finish the project before the end of the year. And from what I understand from the 3 years since the project, the first 3 years that the project was completed, each year they've exceeded what they expected to do. So they continue to see a better return than they ever thought they were going to see on this project. There's no one else that can make the claim that they were on site. They were on the 5th floor. They were the ones who produced the product. We can make that claim. The big difference between what we did at the Empire State Building and what we do with HR40 is the HR40 is more efficient than what we used at the Empire State Building. So the benefits that the HR40 have far and exceed what was able to be used in the Empire State Building on performance and aesthetics, because it's got the easy maintenance look on the outside. But I'm happy to say that I made the Empire State Building glass as well as the HR40 windows for Bill Wilson. Homeowners would be crazy to buy anything else.